Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to export audio in Descript. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly. So you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and create an account for Descript if you haven't already. After doing that guys, you want to go ahead and download the official Descript application right here as you can see and install it. And after installing it guys and logging into your account, you will be greeted by this main page right here, which is the main page of the application, where as you can see all of your projects, you can create a new project, so on. So if you look at the left side of the screen, here you can see all of the menu options that you have that you can access. And right here is the option to create a new project in the upper right corner, which you can use for creating a new project. But yeah guys, you can see I have already created a project right here called YouTube tutorial, and I'm going to be accessing right now by double clicking on it. So after opening up the project guys, you will see that you will now be brought to this page where you can edit your project. As you can see, I have an audio recording right here and you can edit it any way you want. You can cut it, you can edit audio, you can put in anything you want into it. And after you're finished guys and you're satisfied with the file, then you can go ahead and export it. I'm going to be showing you right now how to do it. All you have to do guys is go right here into the upper right corner next to your profile picture right here and find this publish button right here. Guys, go ahead and click on publish. And after clicking on publish guys, this will now open up this new drop down menu where you have multiple options for publishing your file, such as creating a web link right here that you can share with anybody. You can edit your settings and so on. But guys, what we want to do is go ahead and find this export button right here next to publish. Clicking on export guys, now this will bring you to this page where you can go ahead and export your audio file. As you can see, you can select export, you can select your quality and so on and so on. And after you're satisfied guys with the options and settings, you can go ahead and click on export right here. And as you can see, now you can select the server and the folder where you want to save your audio file, and just go ahead and click on save and you will automatically save the file and export it. So yeah guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.